No, me and James are gonna make this area a field instead of just a bunch of trees like a forest. We're gonna make it into a field. Here we go.
Creeper, I have extra mini.
Then do whatever you want
Take
with
it.
it. Give it to James.
Take it. I'll take it.
Fine. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Okay. Good job, Maverick. Let's go help,
we have a couple minutes.
let's go help
Just
Swang
get wood.
and...
Just get wood. No, like them.
Just get wood, dude. Get wood.
Them, not you. I mean, you could also get wood, but like...
We're gonna get some extra wood.
Get all of the wood.
Yeah, dude, get all the wood. I'm gonna go take down North Korean watchtower, as Maverick said. Yeah, that is... You guys did turn that thing into a field.
Mm-hmm.
Hi,
It
Swang.
kinda looks like... Except this tree, I gotta get this tree.
What'd you say it looked like? You cut out.
Racetrack.
Oh, yeah.
No, like it looks like the field on racetrack.
I know. It does, because it has the little, like, racetrack things.
Alright, James is the name. Wait, no, let's start building out here. Let's start building out here. Out of the zone so they don't come
They have to
in
go a
and
little
destroy the
closer.
bottom.
Okay, I've got 400 mats.
Alright,
I'll
I
build
have...
up, because I have done this so many times.
Oh, launch pad too.
It's pretty good. Okay, I'm behind, which is not good. Okay, I broke the watchtower.
Alright,
It's gone now.
James, come to me, We're gonna build from here.
No, we're not.
Yeah, let's build from here.
How about on top of this hill? Yeah. No, it's right here.
Hi, Swain.
Yeah, we are. We're gonna have plenty of mats.
Yeah, dude, I have 400.
I have 900. Just
Yeah.
get more of them.
Exactly.
I have 911 now.
Wow.
Alright, I'm building up.
No, let me build it.
No, what if I want to build though?
Hey, fine. Go right in now. Right now.
You know what? We're gonna do this in style. We're gonna do cool ramps.
No, creeper. Oh, we're using these ramps?
I don't know.
Oh,
Which one do you want to use?
Switch.
Which one do you want to use, huh?
It's just, it doesn't matter.
I've always. Oh, I almost done you. Great.
Okay, so does everyone have a jetpack?
Hold on. Yeah.
Ask James. Does James have a
Yeah, he
jetpack?
does.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, let's just stay right here.
No. We gotta get high.
Yeah, because we're on the edge of the zone.
Creeper could hear. James, Creeper could hear you. Wait.
Go up higher. Creeper.
No, I can't hear James.
Yeah, because this thing's weird.
No, Creeper, stop.
Oh, I almost just fell off. Rearranging my YouTube. Hi, Mom. How are you? Are we gonna go out to eat? You wanna go to like Bob Evans or something? No? Alright.
Get Creeper.
Coffee cake?
Get Creeper.
Mm.
Yes.
No.
No. Bro, is that somebody's skybase down there? Oh yeah, look, I found somebody. Bro, I almost lost all my charge.
What?
There was somebody's skybase down there.
I have jelly toast instead.
255.
And eggs.
Okay.
And you.
The storm, no. Maverick, no. Maverick, no.
There you go, hands right.
No, Maverick.
Stop.
Put your Excellent.
You're just like, stop.
Okay.
Don't do that.
Alright, we're good.
Let's keep going. No, Maverick.
Why do we have to wait for the zone when they can't even shoot us down?
Look at these kids down there. 240.
Creeper! Come here, I got something for you.
No.
Oh yeah, I see them on top of that mountain.
Maverick, you scrub.
Can I do it? Creeper.
No, no, don't do
Oh,
that.
James.
Bro, I need my thing to recharge.
Oh, James, you built right when I shot.
That was very bad.
That could have been so bad though.
Yeah. Oh, bro, they're building up too. They're building up too. 240.
They're building
Are
up
they?
to us? No, they're
No,
not.
no.
Look, they're just kind of fooling around, you know. Okay, edge of the storm here. Bro, we're gonna build over.
I see them. That dude's a monster.
Exactly. Bro, I wish I had a sniper right now.
No!
I've got half
Can we build any
jetpack.
higher? Look.
Yeah,
No.
we can.
No.
No, we can't. We can't.
Alright,
Okay.
get down. Get down. Everyone get down.
Wait, did I get to like perfect height?
Yeah,
I
you
think I
did.
got perfect height.
Yeah, you did. Bro,
What
should
if
I
people
should
get
I
this
throw a
down?
portafort at them?
Oh, I hit him! I hit him!
No, you didn't.
I hit him for one.
No, you didn't. We're gonna waste all of our ammo.
Here, take this.
Guys,
one.
are you ready, guys?
Wait, actually, James, can I give you the
James,
heavy shotgun instead? And then. Yo.
Dang it, I was gonna get creeper.
Bro, I'm fine. No, Maverick. Don't
Wait,
throw
James,
it.
Can I have that back and I can give you my heavy shotgun?
Maverick, I'll give you this portafort. James, do it again. Okay, we gotta go forward. We gotta go forward.
I can
Wow,
kill
there's
all of you
actually
right
no
now.
more scout bases.
Guys, do you want you guys to die?
No.
Alright.
Alright, I still have 920 wood.
Okay, I have 200. I built little platforms because I know Maverick.
There's like a duration. Oh, open up! Open up! Open it up! Jeez.
I thought that was Maverick.
What do you
I
mean?
thought
And
that
then
was
you guys
Maverick that
closed
was
it
under
off.
there.
You guys closed it off.
I
Bro,
didn't
I
get it.
never knew you could do a bridge like this. This is kind of cool.
Oh my gosh, that's good.
I almost did Maverick.
Stop, creeper!
God, this is
Stop!
Maverick, if you stop to us, I'll stop to you.
What did I do? I didn't do anything.
Yeah, Maverick, you did so much. You almost killed Swang Sun.
What did I do?
You almost killed him.
Don't do it. I know you're trying to.
I'm trying to get Maverick.
Oh, this sky base. Sky base. Or, no, it's not really a sky base.
Okay,
It's
stop,
just
stop,
a-
stop, stop, stop.
That'd be so sick.
Yeah.
Where?
No, creeper!
Dude, you were in the middle of both of them. I couldn't.
Creeper!
Oh, man.
It's creeper! Creeper is like super annoying.
Okay, I'm gonna stop.
Alright, let's build.
Everyone is. Dude, you gotta build triangles. Build triangles. Dude.
No.
No.
Yes.
No,
We're
Maverick.
gonna get the win here, alright?
Yeah.
You gotta be
So.
serious.
I'm running out of jetpack juice.
How?
Maverick.
I'm at like 75%, or actually probably like 90%.
I'm at like what, like 40%?
They actually. Oh wait, they
Oh,
are.
they are.
All right.
Hey. Wait, does anyone have the wave emote? Wait, oh shoot, he's like going in for it. Shoot him down. Ah!
Oh, that is an Omega too.
I shot him down.
Oh my gosh, one guy just fell. What is
Yeah,
happening?
one dude's like falling to his death right now. All right, do you want me to build down to you?
Yeah.
Wait, I've got some mats.
Bro, I think we killed them all.
Wait, did we
Somehow,
just kill everyone?
somehow I think we killed them all.
What the heck?
How am I supposed to get
Okay,
down from
Maverick,
Wait,
I've got.
dang, I built up.
All right. One dude fell to his doom.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I know, I just saw him fall down.
Okay, Maverick, I've got minis for you.
No, I got you.
James.
I've got minis for you guys.
Go, James.
Back here.
No, I killed that. Oh, I killed that Omega. Like I made him fall to his death.
I made a Christmas skin fall to his death.
Bro, I remember I just tried to destroy the platform because like two of them were over there.
Hey
And
guys.
Hey guys!
I threw a port for
Oh jeez. Bro, they're fighting people.
You guys wanna
Bro,
do
my
something?
jetpack is at 10%. Okay, Maverick, here, take these minis.
Here, I'll split some with you. I have 470 now, so
Take those minis. And then I can.
Oh man, they're kind of close.
Hello.
They're gonna be coming to us. They're gonna try to come to us.
Try to throw a porta
Alright,
fort
there's
at
people
them.
below it. Alright, let's watch this battle. You're like, well, there's nothing we can do about that.
Hold up, real quick. Can I do something?
No.
Don't edit anything.
Okay. Oh! Bro. That would use up like all of my jetpack juice. I've got very low jetpack juice right now.
I have like 75%. now.
Okay.
Oh man, there's so many dead people under us. Look. Look at all that loot.
Where? I don't see it.
Really, Maverick?
I don't see it. What?
Okay, I'm not gonna. I have a few mats left. I'm not gonna waste them.
Alright, let's go this way.
Let's go final circle.
I don't want the jetpack to go away.
How is there 14 people left?
There's 14 people in this little area, dude.
Oh,
Imagine
I
if
see
they're
people
all
by
in
that
sky
bush
bases.
northwest.
There's also people by this tree down here at
Yeah,
120.
They're looking-
Oh, they're about to get screwed.
No,
Guys, we
they're
all have
moving.
the exact same sound on.
Oh, that guy was in the storm. Yeah,
Yeah, I
Maverick,
see
did
him.
you just notice we all have the exact same
Oh,
skin
he's
on?
shooting at us.
You see?
Yeah, mom.
Bro, look
Okay,
at these
I'll be
people
a
at north.
minute.
Look at these people at north. They're gonna try to build up to us. I know it.
They're gonna try to.
I have 23 shotgun shots left. Does anyone have any spare? I don't feel good with 23.
Oh,
Oh, hello!
James, how much mess do you got?
Jump, guys,
Here,
jump!
here, we're gonna dance with them. No, we're gonna dance with them.
Bro, let's let everyone else kill each
No,
other.
dance with them. Dance with them. No, do like really noticeable dances. Yeah, that's it.
I'll throw popcorn everywhere. This is great.
Do we build to them? I can build to them.
Let's go.
No, just get closer and dance. Get
Okay,
in
just
the
get closer and dance. Should I throw a porta-fort at them?
No, we need impulse nades for that. Oh my god.
Bro, impulse nades would have been epic. Bro, that launch pad is kind of...
Because I know they're gonna try to shoot it. They're gonna try to shoot
Oh,
it.
they're running! Oh, what fell?
Oh!
going.
Oh god!
We're
Are they
going.
dead?
No, they have jetpacks.
Are we going down?
Yeah, dude, we're going down. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh, we did it! We did it! Yes!
Sky base.
Sky base tactic!
Yay.
Woohoo!
That's kinda
That was kind of amazing.